Hey everyone, how's it going? Do you struggle with dilution ratios, or are you doing math the long way like I used to? I was talking to Billy at American Detailer Garage today, and he gave me an idea for this video to help people who struggle with dilution ratios. Some people won't admit that they do, but they do because I see them struggling in the Facebook groups. So no more long math, super easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's gonna take us less than a minute. All right, let's figure out how to do this nice and simple. So let's say we have a dilution ratio of 10 to 1, which is a great dilution ratio for F-bomb concentrate. So what we have is we have 10 ounces of water to 1 ounce of F-bomb concentrate. It's just important to understand that the total is 11 total ounces, not 9 ounces of water and 1 to give you a total of 10. The total is 11. So how many ounces are we trying to fill up? Let's say we have a 16-ounce bottle. So now we take 16, we divide by the dilution ratio added together, which in this case is 11. And what we end up with, and they say not to do math in public, but what you end up with is 1.4545. So let's just call it 1.5. So to fill up a 16-ounce bottle, put in 1.5 ounces of F-bomb. And we can do one more quick. I said it would be under a minute, but we'll go and do one more. So let's say you have a 20 to 1 ratio and of something. We can even be F-bomb, that's fine. And we want to mix it in a gallon. How many ounces do we need in a gallon of F-bomb concentrate? So 20 plus 1 is 21. There are 128 ounces in a gallon. Divide that by 21, and what do you get? You get 6.0952, so let's just call it 6 ounces in that gallon of F-bomb.